this guy. Okay, so there is this North Indian content creator that is.
Leila.
So
I don't like him.
Leila, right? Leila has a best friend.
Arush.
Harush and Leila, and I remember watching their clips sometimes, and I have a weakness, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I find that, yeah, it's sometimes it's attractive. I'm sorry.
Who do you find attractive?
Leila.
No, the
Leila
way
or
that they
Harush?
speak and everything.
Yeah, I see.
When they
Yeah,
see, like, they speak in
yeah,
that.
that's the Arpit Bala hot, the dirty hot.
Yeah, like when they
Yeah.
say, like, ladly.
Yeah, Ladle.
No, that's
Ladle.
I know. Srush. See, I feel like you can say that if you're perfect. None of us are perfect. I have my flaws. I have my flaws.
That's not truth.
That's
Srishti.
I'm living my truth. Can you stop? So I used to think that these two were really funny. But I thought, because see, there's a video of them and they're having goatee soda. And he's like, bhai, nostalgia hit ho gaya. Nostalgia. And I did find that funny. Right? And they say a lot of problematic things. And I know I'm publicly admitting this, but it's not a good, you don't want to follow people like that. They are not good people, right?
They're not good people.
This guy is outright like taking digs at Sufi.
Yeah, he's extremely homophobic.
What is he doing?
No. I'll clear it out. He started taking dicks at Sufi in the beginning. He said something like, तो तू हमारे वाले washroom में आएगा कि नहीं? And then I was like, what the fuck? How the fuck can this guy say something like that?
Yeah.
And then after like a few days, he sat Sufi down and then he was like, genuinely, bhai, I wanted to come to you and talk to you because I have a lot of questions.
Alright.
And then Sufi was like, okay, ask. And then he was telling Sufi कि मेरे genuinely आजू बाजू में I have never had someone who had a problem discovering their sexuality, or even if they did, they were like masked or said कि मर्द बन, ऐसे बन, tough बन. तो मुझको पता ही नहीं है. और मैं genuinely जानना चाहता हूँ. And then after that, I have seen like a progress in his attitudes and his words.
No, but like regardless of that, he's made quite a bit homophobic comments outside of the show also when he was called on podcast.
Yes,
His only defense to that is that I am friends with Ori, who is not president of gay.
Who's friends with Ori?
Leila.
Ori is the worst person actually.
Yeah, if he has representation around him, why the fuck is it so difficult for him to shut his mouth?
And the
Okay, if
fact
you
that
have
Leila
questions-
said that he has not ever been around anybody.
Exactly.
He's good. That's what he meant.
And
He said
you
it,
don't
na?
need to be around somebody to be mindful, not hurt their feelings. Just be a
True.
good fucking human being and not
True.
not say things like that.
Yeah.
That's the end of it.
And then even there's this one more guy called Harshad. He is also like a TV actor and everything.
yeah.
So he sits next to Shreya and he's asking her homophobia का मतलब क्या होता है? And then she was telling him, explaining कि मतलब people don't like them, or like people just don't like anything that they do because they are different in terms of their sexual preferences. And then Harshad was like कि but ऐसे हुआ तो क्या होता है कि मतलब वो अच्छे हैं, मैं उनके साथ अच्छा हूँ, but मुझे उनसे डर लगता है. तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? मुझे उनसे डर लगता है.
Homophobia.
Homophobia बोलेंगे उसको.
Period.
The worst fucking form of homophobia.
Yeah, no, genuinely.
उनको डर
डर
पता
लगता
है
है मतलब
वो अपने से इनसिक्योर है.
क्या?
उनको
डर-
अपने पे ही कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है.
The thing is, उनको डर क्यों लगता है पता है? It was a very telling thing that happened to me once. I was out with a boy, and of course I've told you guys about this. He was like, by the way, I am homophobic. He says to me,
Oh my.
and I say,
The way we have all both gone back like
first time I'm meeting this guy. Okay, so like, ठीक है. I didn't expect anything. I was like, yeah. I'm curious why. He says because you know how they invade your space and they touch you without asking you, and they. So I know I had to hold it in. I had to hold it in. So he's talking about not gay people. He's talking about actually trans people, trans women. When at times when they give you blessings, they touch you, and you don't know the culture that comes behind that at all. But मैंने ठेका नहीं ले रखा है कि तुझे मैं सिखाऊं बैठकर, मैं घर जा रही हूँ, मुझे तेरे से बात नहीं करनी. लेकिन मैंने उसको ऐसे ही पूछा, अच्छा सो यू नो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू डोंट लाइक व्हेन दे इन्वेड योर पर्सनल स्पेस, है ना, बिना पूछे हाथ लगाना. या इवन आई थिंक it's not cool at all. Took a 10-second pause. You know how many times I have been touched without my consent by a straight man. Interesting.
And
That's
tell
what
me
I'm
you
saying,
left
right?
after that. And tell me you left after
I
that.
left.
Of course he did. What are you saying?
I left. There was no ifs, ands, or buts about that.
It is genuinely very saddening.
It really is. And
And-
no, the worst excuse to give is, oh, I've never grown up around such people. I've never had exposure. You don't need to have exposure, bro. You just need to be a good human being at heart.
Yeah.
That's all you need to be.
And-
to, acquaint yourself to it.
Yeah, and
that's
Sufi,
all.
my boy, you are so strong. You are so strong because I know it seems like right now a lot of people are on your side, but I just know for a fact they still, like, most of them would talk behind your back about your sexuality.
Can I also add, I don't understand why Sufi Motiwala gets so much scrutiny. And when you compare it to somebody like Ori, and he doesn't. I
Exactly.
don't understand why that happened. Why is that disparity?
I feel
why that disparity
because
exists.
Sufi, with his, when he would review people's celebrity outfits and stuff, I think that's where he started getting the hate, and then people just never gave him the space.
No,
that
you
was
know what?
obviously an act. It was obviously
No,
an exaggeration.
people will still
No,
hate,
you
right?
know
Left,
what?
right, center.
I'm thinking that people don't like confident people.
Ori is very confident.
No,
Ori is extremely
So
confident.
with women, or like, I feel like if there's a feminine power or if there's a feminine energy, so Sufi gives a little bit of feminine energy also, right?
Yeah.
So, and so does Ori. What happens over
I
here?
don't think. Okay, go on. Sorry,
Ori also gives.
I don't. But yeah, go on.
So I think what happens is when Sufi is being so blunt and so confident about his views, and Ori sort of goes on the cameras acting low-key dumb and wanting attention and asking for help. मुझे नहीं समझता, मुझे बताओ please. तुम मुझे हिंदी सिखाओ.
He also panders more to everybody.
Yeah, and Sufi is he wears his heart on his sleeve. Like he is very direct with his opinions. And he's very confident, very blatant, very blunt about all of this. People don't like that. People don't like confident, clear people who have everything and their shit sorted.
Yeah.
They want people who they can manipulate.
Yeah.
Sophie, if you want to come on, like,
Yeah.
let me
Love
fucking
it.
have you on. I want to know what the fuck is this?
No,
Yeah.
genuinely.
And why is homophobia only directed towards certain gay people, and then certain gay people get away with this? Like, I actually want to have a conversation about this because I cannot wrap my head around it.
And I can't even speak as much, right? Because I don't
I
know
don't
what
know,
what the experience is like. So I don't want to speak
And
without experience.
It is genuinely out of a place of curiosity.
Yeah, no,
or
honestly.
To tell someone's story also.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I could also be thinking from a very straight woman perspective. I don't know what they bring to the table.
Hi guys, if you liked watching this video, then I think you should go here to watch the entire episode. And you can click here to subscribe to the Beshram channel, and click here to subscribe to Beshram Clips channel. And until next time, stay Besharam. Bye.